Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Basic. Today in this video we are going to solve very important questions related to ordinary derivatives step by step. Video may be long but it will be a conceptual video. Today we will solve at least 5 questions, so let's begin. Here question is y is equal to sin square x plus e to the power 3x plus 1 by x minus 3. In this question we have to find derivative of y with respect to x. Here value of y is given and with respect to x and derivative of x, because here is x, here is x, here is x. So okay, let's start. Solution: derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of, we will put value of y. What is the value of y? Sin square x plus e to the power 3x plus 1 by x minus 3. So sin square x plus e to the power 3x plus 1 by x minus 3 with respect to x. Now we will break this. Here is 3 terms. Now we will separate every term. D sin x to the power whole square, we can write this, plus d e to the power 3x by dx plus d 1 by x minus 3 with respect to x. Now this is in the formula derivative of x to the power n by dx. So sin x is x and it is n. So what is the formula of this? It is n x to the power n minus 1. So n is 2 and x is sin x and again n minus 1, so 2 minus 1. So formula is dx to the power n by dx is equal to n x to the power n minus 1 into dx by dx. Actually derivative of dx by dx is 1, so we will write only this, and here is sin x, so we will write here d derivative of sin x with respect to dx plus, and what is the formula of derivative of e to the power x by dx? It is e to the power x, so we will write e to the power 3x into, and again we have to write this term, so derivative of 3x with respect to dx plus, here it is in reciprocal form, so we'll put this term in up, so derivative of x minus 3 power minus 1 with respect to dx is equal to 2 sin x. Derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x plus e to the power 3x into, here 3 is constant, so derivative, no 3 is constant, and derivative of dx with respect to x is 1, so only 3 plus, here is again x to the power, and it is in the form of this form of formula, so here n is minus 1, so we put minus 1 into x is x minus 3, and again n minus 1, n is minus 1 and minus 1 is equal to 2 sin x into cos x plus 3 e to the power 3x, and here is minus, so plus minus x minus 3 to the power minus 2. So now 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Formula of sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. So we can write here sin 2x plus 3 e to the power 3x minus, here x minus 3 power is minus 2. We can write it in x minus 3 whole square. Here you must have one confusion that in dx to the power n by dx formula n x to the power n minus 1, it is in this term, we put here d sin x by x, but here it is also in the form of this formula. But why we did not keep it? Because derivative of x minus 3 by dx, it will be 1. Okay, let's do dx by dx. We have separated this d3 by dx. Derivative of dx by dx is 1 and derivative of constant is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, and we shall multiply this with this and we will get only this. So we haven't put this. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is y is equal to x minus x to the power cube minus 3x square plus 1. Power is 5. We have to find again dy by dx. We have to find this. Okay, solution dy by dx is equal to d, and value of y is x power cube minus 3x square plus 1 whole to the power 5 with respect to x. Now again this is in the formula of dx to the power n by dx, because this is x and this is n. Okay, and what is formula? n x to the power n minus 1. So you put in that type only. Okay, n is 5 and x value is x cube minus 3x square plus 1 power 5, that is n minus 1. Again we shall put here dx by dx also in this formula, but derivative of dx by dx is 1. So but here we have to put it. So derivative of x cube minus 3x square plus 1 with respect to x is equal to 5 x cube minus 3x square plus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. And now again we separate this term. Here is 3 term. Derivative of x cube with respect to x minus derivative of 3x square with respect to x plus derivative of 1 with respect to x. If you know, then you can do it direct also, but I am going to make this video step by step. So 5x cube minus 3x square plus 1 whole to the power 4, and derivative of x cube is again this is in this formula only. n is what? 3, and x is x itself, and n minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. So I can write here 2 minus, here 3 is constant and we can write it outside, 3 into, here n is 2, so write 2 here, and x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we cannot write 1, and derivative of constant, here 1 is constant, derivative of constant is 0. So this will be our final answer. 5 times x cube minus 3x square plus 1 whole to the power 4 times 3x square minus 6x is answer. Okay, now our next question is y is equal to x e to the power x minus cos x, and again we have to find derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x, we have to find this. So derivative of y with respect to dx is equal to d, and value of y is x e to the power x minus cos x with respect to x. Now here is 2 term. This is first term and this is second term. Now we separate these 2 term. Derivative of x e to the power x with respect to dx minus derivative of cos x with respect to dx. Now again here is 2 terms. How we can, this is in the form of multiply formula, that is du times b with respect to dx. How we can know that? We have a trick. Trick is that IALET. Here I is inverse and A is algebraic, L is logarithm, and E is exponential, and T is trigonometric. We have discussed all these formula before only. So here X is algebraic and E is exponential. So this is in the formula of U into V. And what is the formula of this? Formula is V times du by dx plus u times dv by dx. So we shall put this in this formula form. So here is, this is u and this is v. So we can write here v. What is the value of v? That is e to the power x and du by dx. So u is x, dx by dx plus again u is x. So we shall write here x into dv. V is e to the power x with respect to x and minus d cos x with respect to dx. This is our formula, is equal to derivative of dx with respect to x is 1. So e to the power x plus x, and derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x only. Again we have to find derivative of dx with respect to x, but derivative of dx with respect to x is again 1. So we shall leave it as, and minus, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So e to the power x plus x times e to the power x minus minus is plus sin x. Okay, now we'll do another questions. Question number 4. Question is y is equal to 3x square plus 5 power 3 plus sin x into cos x. Again we have to find dy by dx is equal to, and value of y is value of y is 3x square plus 5 whole to the power 3 plus sin x into cos x with respect to x is equal to, now we will separate this. Now this is the in the form of formula du plus v. This is u, this is v. If you know this this step, this step d 3x square plus 5 dx. What we did here, we separated this term plus d sin x into cos x with respect to x. If you know this step, then you can do direct. You do not need to do this first step. Is equal to, now this is in the form of dx to the power, no, this is in the form of dx to the power n with respect to dx, and we know the formula is n times x to the power n minus 1 dx by dx. So here n is 3, so we write here 3, and x is, this is x, so we write 3x square plus 5, and n minus 1, n is 3, 3 minus 1 into dx by dx. What is our dx? This is our x. So again dx x is 3x square plus 5 with respect to x. Now plus, and again we have here, we have two terms, sin x and cos x. This is this is u and this is v. So what is the formula of du into v with respect to dx? Formula is v du by dx plus u dv by dx. So we write here v is cos x, so I am writing it here, plus this is plus v is cos x into u u is sin x, d sin x with respect to dx plus u is sin x, so sin x into v is cos x, d cos x with respect to dx is equal to 3 times 3x square plus 5 whole to the power 2, and derivative of 3x square is, if you know then we can do it direct. So 3 here, 3 is constant and this is yon, so 3 to the 6 times x, and n minus 1 yon is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 6x, and derivative of 5 is 0 because 5 is constant, so it will be this only, plus cos x, and derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x, so we write here cos x plus sin x into, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x is equal to 3 times 3x square plus 5 whole to the power 2. Oh sorry, here is 6 and here is 3, we can write here 6 3 is 18 times, here is x, so we can write here 18 times x, and plus cos x, and cos x is cos square x, and here is minus and here is plus, plus minus is minus, sin x into sin x is sin square x. We can write here one more step. What is that? That is 18, this is 18x times 3x square plus 5 power 2. Again, what we can write this? This is cos square x minus sin square x. What is the formula of this? Formula is cos 2x. This will be our final answer. We can do this type also, but if you know formula then better to write this. And our next question is question number 5. Question is y is equal to x sin inverse x plus x minus 2 power 4. Again we have to find dy by dx. Value of y is x sin inverse x with respect to x, and I did here directly. I separated this term. Again another term is x minus 2 power 4 with respect to dx is equal to, here it is in the form of du into v, and this is formula of du into v is with respect to dx is v times du with respect to dx plus u dv with respect to dx. So we shall write here, and what is here v is sin inverse x, so we write here sin inverse x into u is x, dx with respect to x plus again u is x, and v is sin inverse x, so d sin inverse x with respect to dx plus, no, we have to find derivative of this term, so I will write here plus, again this is in the term of dx to the power n with respect to dx. Formula is nx to the power n minus 1 derivative dx with respect to dx. So n is 4, we shall write here 4, and x is x minus 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3, that is n minus 1, so we shall write here 3 into dx, here is dx, value of x is x minus 2, so dx minus 2 with respect to x is equal to sin, here is sin inverse x, so sin inverse x, and derivative of dx with respect to x is 1, So sin inverse x plus x into, and here is derivative of sin inverse x with respect to x. What is the formula of derivative of sin inverse x with respect to x? We have formula is 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So we write here that is 1 by root under 1 minus x square. Again here is plus, no, again this term, and plus 4 x minus 2 power cube. Again derivative of dx by dx is 1, and derivative of constant 2 is constant, so it will be 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So it is okay if you not write that. If you wish, then we can write this dx with respect to x minus derivative of 2 with respect to dx. Again derivative of this dx by dx will be 1, and derivative of 2 by with respect to dx will be 0. So final answer is sin inverse x plus x by root under 1 minus x square plus 4 times x minus 2 power cube. This is our final answer. I think video will be too long and you will feel bored, so we shall continue more important and conceptual questions in next video. If you will practice all these questions, then you can break any questions related with ordinary derivatives. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe this channel so that you can get notification of further videos. Thank you so much.